Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Say goodbye to the hassle of a manual peeling with the new household electric multifunctional peeler. This smart kitchen gadget effortlessly peels fruits and vegetables like potatoes, apples, and more in seconds, saving you time and effort. Built with durable ABS and stainless steel material, it's designed for long-lasting performance and easy cleaning with its removable peeler head. Just place your food, press a button, and watch it work its magic. No mess, no fuss. Perfect for busy kitchens or anyone who loves convenience, this electric peeler makes meal prep faster and smoother. Check it out now on Amazon and AliExpress. Your new kitchen helper awaits. Make cooking and draining easier than ever with the clip-on silicone strainer. This clever kitchen tool clips right onto any pot, pan, or bowl, letting you pour out water while keeping your food perfectly in place. Whether you're straining pasta, vegetables, meat, or fruits, it's designed to handle it all with ease. Made from heat-resistant, food-grade silicone, it's lightweight, durable, and dishwasher-safe for quick cleanup. Plus, its compact design makes it super easy to store. Upgrade your kitchen routine today with this smart and space-saving clip-on strainer, available now on Amazon and AliExpress. Start your mornings with fresh, delicious juice using the kitchen cast-iron orange juice squeezer, the ultimate tool for effortless juicing. Built from heavy-duty cast iron and stainless steel, this professional-grade juicer delivers maximum juice with minimal effort. Just place your orange, lemon, or lime in the press, and with one smooth motion, you'll get every drop. No seeds, no mess. Its sturdy design ensures stability, while the easy-to-clean parts make cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for home kitchens, juice lovers, or even small cafes, this juicer combines durability, efficiency, and style. Enjoy pure, refreshing citrus juice every day. Check it out now on Amazon and AliExpress for your next kitchen upgrade. Simplify your meal prep with the fresh manual meat slicer, designed to slice, dice, or shred raw meat effortlessly. Featuring 17 sharp blades, it delivers 18 even slices in seconds, with adjustable thickness options of 2 mm or 4 mm for perfect results every time. Ideal for prepping meat for stir-fries, hot pots, or weekly meal plans, this slicer saves time and ensures uniform cuts. Built with durable materials and an easy-to-clean design, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Get the fresh meat slicer today on Amazon and AliExpress and make meal prep faster and smarter. Create perfect, crispy-edged burgers every time with the cast-iron smash burger press. Heavy-duty, pre-seasoned, and built for ultimate flavor. Available now on Amazon and AliExpress. Make meal prep a breeze with the Vegetable Chopper Slicer Pro, an all-in-one tool that chops, slices, and dices your veggies in seconds, keeping your kitchen neat and your cooking fast. Its sharp, interchangeable blades and built-in container make cutting fruits and veggies super easy and mess-free. Durable, easy to clean, and perfect for everyday use. Grab yours now on Amazon and AliExpress. Enjoy fresh smoothies anytime, anywhere with the Mini Smoothie Blender. This compact personal blender comes with additional bullet-shaped cups and portable lids, making it perfect for on-the-go mornings, office smoothies, or post-workout drinks. Its powerful blades easily crush fruits, frozen ingredients, and ice to create creamy juices and smoothies in seconds. Lightweight, easy to clean, and designed for convenience, it's a must-have for anyone who loves quick, healthy drinks without the hassle. Take your smoothies wherever you go and upgrade your kitchen routine with the mini smoothie blender, available now on Amazon and AliExpress. Cook, simmer, and serve with ease using the 2-liter clear glass simmer pot. Made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, this versatile pot is perfect for boiling pasta, preparing soups, warming milk, or even making baby food. It comes with a lid and built-in strainer for effortless draining and mess-free cooking, while the anti-scald handles keep your hands safe. Ideal for everyday cooking or even as an electric simmer tool for home fragrance, it combines style, convenience, and durability in one. Upgrade your kitchen with the 2-liter clear glass simmer pot, available now on Amazon and AliExpress. Keep your kitchen and home tidy with the stainless steel hanging trash can. This sleek 2-gallon compost bin features a removable inner bucket for easy cleaning and a tight-fitting lid to lock in odors. Perfect for countertops, under the sink, or even wall mounting, it's ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or bedrooms. Its durable stainless steel construction combines style and functionality, making waste disposal simple and convenient. Compact yet practical, it's the perfect solution for small spaces while keeping your home clean and organized. Get the stainless steel hanging trash can today on Amazon and AliExpress. Make long hours in the kitchen comfortable with the anti-fatigue kitchen mat set. These 2-piece memory foam mats provide cushioned support for your feet, reducing strain while standing. Waterproof and non-slip, they're perfect for keeping your kitchen safe and cozy. Upgrade your cooking space today with this must-have set. Available on Amazon and AliExpress. Cook delicious, evenly baked meals with the Pizza Plus rotating oven. Its rotating function ensures perfect cooking every time, whether it's pizza, chicken, or veggies. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for any kitchen, this oven makes mealtime effortless. Upgrade your breakfast with the WHALL touchscreen 2-slice toaster. With 6 bread types, 6 shade settings, and smart extra-wide slots, it handles everything from bagels to thick artisan bread. Features like defrost, cancel, and bagel functions make toasting quick, easy, and perfectly customized every time. Enjoy cafe-style drinks at home with this electric milk steamer and frother. With smart touch controls and a memory function, it easily creates hot or cold foam for lattes, cappuccinos, warm milk, or hot chocolate. Quick, convenient, and perfect for any coffee lover. Bake and cool like a pro with this stainless steel cooling and baking rack set. Durable, sturdy, and perfect for cakes, cookies, and roasted dishes. It makes baking effortless and mess-free. Make fresh, healthy drinks at home with the 10-in-1 automatic nut milk maker. With 20 powerful blades, it effortlessly turns nuts, oats, and soy into almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, juices, or even chowders. Features like delay start, boil, keep warm, and auto-clean make it convenient, fast, and perfect for everyday use. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.